This is an irresistible snack. Made with the basic dish like polenta, you can obtain these crispy and tasty polenta fries, or you can call them even polenta sticks. Healthy because they are baked and not actually fried. You will enjoy a super easy and vegan treat. If you want to know how I did this recipe, just keep watching. I will start by measuring 3 cups of water, where I will add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves. I mix everything together to dissolve the salt, and then I will bring the water to a boil. When the water is boiling, I am going to add 3/4 cup of polenta flour. I will mix everything together until everything is smooth. Then I will lower the heat and cook it on low, following the packaging instructions. Different polenta have a different timing, so it's always good to read the labels prior purchase. Now I am going to turn the heat off and transfer it to cool it down. I place the polenta to an 8x8 square pan covered with parchment paper. I will level it, smoothing the surface out, and then I will set it aside, let it completely cool down. When the polenta is completely cooled down, I will remove it from the pan and I will remove the parchment paper. Then I will start cutting it. I will cut it first in half, then I will cut it even horizontally, and then I keep cutting in half until I obtain about 1/4 inch thickness. After I am done cutting, I will brush some olive oil on the surface of the polenta, top and even bottom. So then I will flip it over and I will brush even the bottom part. For some crispiness, I am going to pass the polenta fries or sticks in the polenta flour. After I am done breading them, I will lie them on either a cookie sheet or a pizza pan covered with parchment paper. Then I will bake them at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes until crispy. And here are my polenta fries. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.